more than 100 people, including women and children, have been killed after a stampede broke out at a satsang organized by a self-styled godman Bole Baba, aka Narayan Sakar Hari, in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras. Now, he is currently believed to be in his ashram in Mainpuri, which is around 100 kilometers from the Phulrai village where the tragic incident took place. Meanwhile, viewers, a committee has now been set up in order to investigate the matter, and a petition has been sought in the Supreme Court which seeks direction to appoint a 5-member expert committee under the supervision of a retired top court judge to inquire into this stampede. What were the causes and who will take accountability is the main question at the moment. The plea further seeks direction from the committee to suggest and frame guidelines and safety measures to avoid further such incidents. My colleague Ayush Sharma with us on the broadcast. Ayush, take our viewers through what is happening on the ground. What is taking place as far as the hunt for Bole Baba is on? He is suspected to be in his ashram in Mainpuri. And what is the probe like?
Well, yes, as of now, the biggest development coming is that the SP of Mainpuri has informed that the Baba is still absconding, but the police has formed various parties to find him. The search is going on at his ashram at Mainpuri, where it was found that he was not at the particular place. The searches are being held in the places near Hathras, Etah, Aligarh, Agra to find out where that self-proclaimed godman, that fraud Baba, that Bole Baba is. And there are also searches going on in the areas adjoining the Delhi NCR, where the ashram of this self-proclaimed godman are, and the police is trying their level best to find this man, since this man is absconding since when the stampede took place in the Hathras, and which claimed the lives of more than 120 people and leaving several others grievously injured. And the major thing is that there are still people who are yet to be found by their families. The missing complaints are going on, and the police, the families and the security agencies are trying to find the people who are still misplaced after that stampede.
Indeed, and could you also take our viewers through what exactly happened at the time of the stampede? As stated earlier, it seems that it was an open ground, but the permit was only for a limited amount of people, yet that had exceeded.
Well, yes, the permit was given by the Hathras SDM for only 40,000 people, but it exceeded to more than 2 lakh people to being present on that particular ground. However, the good thing in that part is that it was the open field where the satsang was going on. So that's why the humidity was not that effective to that place. Had it been an enclosed area, this accident would have been in large number. And the thing is that the permission was given to only 40,000 people. Then how did 2 lakh people manage to get into that ground? And another big question lies is that when the SDM was there, why was the police not present in sufficient quantity? Why were there only 40 policemen to handle a crowd of more than 2 lakh people? And the third big question is, why were the central forces, the reserve forces were not being deployed at that particular place where the satsang was going on? And I have talked to a police constable who was on the spot. She was also grievously injured after that stampede. There were more than 25 people who stepped upon her on that stampede, on that accident, and she told that there were people, these andhbhaks, they were going behind the car of that self-proclaimed godman, that fraud Baba, to just get the mud of the tire of his car, to just get the mud of his feet, so that their diseases can be cured. So you can see the dilemma of such people, the mindset of such people. They are going behind that Baba. They have no worry about their lives, and there are still people who are claiming that these people have gone into heaven just because they have died in the satsang.
And one last question from you, Ayush, before we move on. Yesterday, Yogi Adityanath had visited the site, and he had stated that the organizers tried to cover up the incident.
Well, yes, it was also cleaned by the locals also. I was talking to one of the local, and he was saying that the organizers of the event were literally throwing away people from the road so that that self-proclaimed godman, that fraud Baba, could flee away from that place. This was the condition that the bouncers, that the organizers, that the personal security persons of that fraud Baba, they were present on the spot, and they were literally throwing people from highway to the field, which was a low-lying area. And there were women, there were children, there were people who were old age. the senior citizens, they were being thrown in the field, they were being thrown out of the highway so that the way could be cleared for that fraud Baba to flee from that spot.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.